Good day and welcome to Maths Made Easy. Today we'll be talking about logarithm, right? And when we're talking about logarithm, if we recall when we did indices, it's actually similar. But now, logarithm will have something like this: log b base 8. That's how you pronounce it: log b base 8. You always have the logarithm of numbers and the base. Do you get it? This is called the base, and this is the logarithm of numbers. So log b base 8. For example, if you want to call this, we have log 5 base 2. You know, indices, you have 2 raised to the power 5, something like that, right? We have m raised to the power a times m raised to the power b, something like that. And the laws of logarithm also is similar to that of indices, but I would say it's inverted. So if you look at the laws of logarithm, right? So if you look at the laws of logarithm, the first law says if you have log a base b, let me know it's base b now. That means log n base a plus log n base a. What do you do to them? You multiply them. So log n times n base a. Now if you remember, for indices is that if you have a raised to power m times a raised to power n, what do? We pick one and add their power. But logarithm is like this. So for example, if we have log 5 is 10 plus log 2, no, no, it's 2 now. That means 4 is 10 also. What do? We say log 5 times 4 base 10 equals to log 20 base 10. That's the first law of logarithm. And we have the second one, which is log n base a minus log n base a. Now, what you do to it? You divide it. So you say log m divided by n base a. So examples we have log 15. Let me use 15. Let me use something like 25 base 3 minus log 5 base 3. So what do? We take them log 25 over 5 base 3. Now, the reason why we can apply this is because they are the same base. So our final answer will be log 5 base 3, right? So we have another one which is log m raised to power n base a. What does it mean? If you have this, it means that we are saying we are going to bring this one to the front. We're going to have n log m base a. What do I mean? If we have something like log 4 raised to power 2 base 5, it means that you can write it as 2 log 4 base what? Base 5. That's the third law. And I'll just give you one more, then think we are done with that. The last one is log a base a is what? 1. Okay, I'll add on that one, but I'll give you an example for this one later. So when we have log a base a is 1, log a base a, log 5 base 5, log 10 base 10, log 100 base 100 is 1. If we have log 1 base anything is 0, log 1 base anything is 0. So let's just look at one example and we are just done because I've explained what this is like. If we have any questions or something that we're troubling us in logarithm that you want us to solve. Now, this is not the logarithm based on numbers less than 10, greater than 10. Not those ones that you'll be doing, give a logarithm of tables. No, not that type. This is quite different one. So let's just take one question. One question. So, parameter, you're seeing something like this: log um let me see, 125 is 10, right? um Minus log 5 is 10 plus log 4 is 10. Now, how do you do it? Log, this minus tells you that you're going to what? Divide. So log, we can do everything at once. Let me explain. If we have log 125 divided by 5, right, times 4 base 10. But if you don't do it that way, you can do it one by one. So we have this plus log 4 base 10. So 5 here 1, 5 here 25, right? Now we have log 25 base 10 plus log 4 base 10. Now what does it mean? You add them and multiply them rather. You multiply them, right? So if we have log 100 base 10, right? Here we can see that this is 10 raised to power 2. So if you have log 10 raised to power 2 is 10. And if you remember the law, once we have something like this, it can come to the front, right? So if we have 2 log 10 base 10. Alright, we see that we have log 10, 2 log 10 is 10. And remember that law, that log anything is anything is what? 1, right? So we have 2 times 1. So our final answer is what? So that's the thing. Thank you.